Your tow hauler may be equipped with the rear patio option, so we can turn the ramp door into an outdoor patio. You have to start by hooking up your cables to support your gate. They'll have a lock on them, just pull a lock off. Pull up your gate. Okay, now do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now we have our ramp door supported, so now we'll continue making our patio. We have the sides and the back to come on. So you just push this one out of the way, pull this around. This will pull out. There's 2 tabs here that lock into this retainer. Just watch your fingers when you're doing it. Slide it right in and it locks in place. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull it out. And it locks into your retainer. Then this is the back side of your patio. And then your lock. So now your rear patio is all set. You can gain entrance to the patio by using the side entry door to the garage area. Now, you have the optional MORyde steps that will clip onto the back of the ramp to gain access outside on the rear of your ramp.